have a lot for brakes with this setup.
Bit of that fine dirt on there, it still sticks. Oh no! What'd you just burn out, man?
That wasn't good.
Smoke's never good.
No. Yeah, that was my battery because it came from up front, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
No.
That must have got hot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's hot.
It's warm?
She melted the solder.
Oh,
it was warm enough to do that. Son of a gun. Oh yeah.
Try not to run it up to you for you too bad. Yeah. Where I missed the middle speed. Hey!
Wow.
Nice. Hey guys, just wanted to show you what I've done to this rig. I bought some parts from GCM Racing. Front motor and transmission plate. Moved it up the front here. Also bought the chassis mounted servo mount. And with this guy I also had to get, I don't know if you can see it in there, but there's a transfer case in there. It's a 101 transfer case. To crawl with it all day, it actually seems pretty nice.